Lisbon put on a different kind of musical extravaganza on Friday night, with boats, trams, trucks and bells using their distinctive sounds to make music.
Maybe
we appreciate any new form of music and expression.
We have beautiful sail ships and firefighters playing together. It's very good for tourism because we have a very rich musical heritage, and it's important that tourists are aware of that. I really enjoyed the performance very much. It took 18 months of hard work to organise the event, with the goal of the project to explore the musical possibilities the city offers.